To help you understand how and why InStyle Smile is so amazing, I'm pleased to introduce Trident Dental Laboratories owner and CEO, Mr. Lawrence Fishman.
Thank you, Colette. It's becoming more evident every day that we live in a society where beautiful smiles are highly valued and the benefits of having one has many positive effects on a person's life. That's why for over 20 years, Trident Dental Laboratories has been on the cutting edge of creating smile enhancement products for people all over the world. But what you're about to see just may be our very best. Here's why. The InStyle Smile is exclusively fabricated by Trident Dental Laboratories. It is proven to be the easiest and quickest way for you to get a perfect smile. It's aesthetic, functional, and yes, a removable veneer covering an upper or lower arch. But here's the huge difference. You will confidently wear the InStyle Smile for any occasion, such as weddings, dinner parties, job interviews, everyday use, and eating. Yes, I said eating. Our InStyle Smile is not just for show, they are fully functional. Who's a candidate? Crooked teeth, missing teeth, stained teeth. It doesn't matter. Thanks to the InStyle Smile, just about anyone can have a beautiful, perfect smile. What does your smile say about you? Make sure it says confident, healthy, happy, and proud. Our goal is to help you live life to its fullest. When you have your InStyle Smile, you'll see for yourself why it is the easy, low-cost, instant solution that will allow you to have a perfect, sparkling, radiant smile. For many of you, the InStyle Smile will allow you to enjoy the immediate benefit of feeling and experiencing what a new smile will be like without the high-cost commitment. Since the InStyle Smile is a removable dental appliance, you will be able to see how you will look prior to making a decision of getting a permanent solution. Now remember, you can wear them every day, during work and play. Many of you will want them as a part-time wear-at-will appliance, meaning you can wear them whenever you want. It has been my pleasure introducing you to the InStyle Smile. I can't wait for you to see what a difference it will make in your personal, family, and business life. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. In addition to being our president and CEO, I wear the InStyle Smile.